What's going on YouTube? Thanks for tuning in. I know it's been a while. It's been about a year since I've uploaded on this video. It's been super busy with my other two channels. I have a second amendment channel and a outdoors channel. I'll leave the links for those channels in the description box below. Go ahead and check them out. Also for this channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. So sponsor of this channel is going to go to RockTrix Wheels. We'll go and check it out. So right now, I currently have the stock 2011 rims. As you guys saw in my last video, I was running the 20x9s. I got rid of those. So these just sit flush. I got these about a month ago. Traded a guy for a set of those and some cash on top. But these here are the wheels that came in. That is the model number. I did get the RT110s. These are 17x9, negative 12 offset, 6x135, which will fit the Ford F150 pattern. They are bronze. I want to go with bronze because I had black last time. We'll go ahead and open this up and see how they look like. So it's the best I can do. I don't have my tripod with me. I'm going to go ahead and open this up. I'm not opening these up yet. I got these about 2 weeks ago. Let them sit. And I wanted to do an unboxing with you guys. So, without further ado, let's see what these look like. It's like Christmas in July. I'll throw that away. Pretty nicely wrapped. Ooh, it's really bright. I do apologize for that. Alright, that's a little better. Anyways, there's the packaging. I'll set this back up on here. We will do an initial impression on these. I'll set this on the ground. Package is really nice. Got this little lip cover on the top. Boy oh boy, these do look really nice. Those are pretty heavy too. But let's see if I can hold it up. That's what they look like. We'll swing it around here. So that there's the wheel. Again, this is a 17x9. 17 inches and then 9 inches wide with a negative 12 offset. I do like this deep dish here. The fit and finish does look really nice. It's got this RockTrix center cap. It's got fake bead locks all around. These are not functional, just the looks of it. So it goes all the way around. I'll flip it back here. I'm not sure if you guys can see. It's probably too dark to see it, but there's the back where it mounts to the wheel hub. Everything seems to be nice and machined. Yeah, there it is. Just wanted to make this short video. Now these wheels, they are pretty well known in the Jeep community, more than trucks, but they do make these for trucks, as you guys can see. And the tires gonna be throwing on there. Step over here. Hopefully you'll be able to see it. A little too dark. I'll lighten it up a little bit. Running the BFG KO2s. These are all terrains. These are 185 70 17s. These roughly estimate out to a 33 to 11 inch tire. Compare this to the factory tire. That's the comparison. So it is taller and it's wider, of course. You can see how these look like. I'm going to go ahead and get these installed today, and then we'll do a follow-up video once they're installed. Again, these are RockTrix wheels, based out of California. That's their website. These are very affordable wheels. I think right now on Amazon, these all four you can probably get under, I think $600-700, which is really nice. Again, like I mentioned, these are mainly used in the Jeep community and a lot of overlanding. That just means that they will be really strong and durable. I can't wait to put these on my truck. Again, that is the part number, style number, size, etc. Alright, we're going to get going. I'm going to get these installed. Hopefully the shop is going to be open. I get this installed and I'll do a walk around on how they look like. Then I'll do an update video on this set just to see how well they perform. But I'll catch you guys once they are installed. Alright, and we're back. Hopefully this is in focus. Yep, so I did get these installed. local shop here. You guys can see it's kind of sunny. These are the RockTrix RT110s. BFGoodrich KO2s. These do not rub at full turn, which is nice. I might just get a leveling kit, make it look nicer. On the side here does stick out a fair amount, which is what I wanted. These are negative 12 offset. 33-inch tires, about 11-inch wide. That's the front. Back here. It looks so nice. This wheel here, for some reason, the guy said that they had it balanced with 12 ounces of weight. I don't know what's going on with that. I might take it to a different shop to see if they can turn the tire. If you guys have any suggestions on this tire, on why it took so much weight to balance, leave it in the comment section below. That is what it looks like from the back. That's the back driver's side. I just like the look of these. They're so nice. The RockTrix logo here. Again, thanks to RockTrix for sending it out. Fake bead locks. And then that is the driver's side. Again, that's how much they stick out. Don't have a measuring tape, but it's a good 2 inches or so. So that is what it looks like right there. If anybody else is rocking these wheels, let me know down in the comment section below if you guys have any luck with them. So far these things look great. Glad I went with a 17. I know some people think that's a little too small, but for me, I like it. There you go. So we're actually gonna go in here to ForScan because I disabled the TPMS sensors. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. It's really, really bright. There you go. Again, ForScan. Need this. Download the ForScan app. I had disabled my TPMS sensors for my old tires because I had the 12th gen tires on there. So close this. So there's two things I need to change: TPMS sensors to be on, and also need to recalibrate my tires because it's a little bigger, and I use my GPS app and I'm off by 1 mile per hour. So after everything has been loaded, you're going to want to go into this little gearbox body control module one, the BD YCM. Hit play, let it do its thing. I think it's actually in here now. I'm going to scroll down. Hopefully. I think that might be the right one actually. Get enabled, check mark, and then you're going to hit right down here. Okay, yes. And then your thing's gonna flash like that. It's gonna go crazy. And then you're gonna cycle it on and then off. I'm just gonna run this for a bit on the road to see if it'll recalibrate, and then we'll go from there. Second thing is going to be speedometer. Well, what I have is the AsBuilt calculator. Make sure you change it to copy. That way you can actually change it. So I'm going to change that 285, 70, 17. Check mark. That code is going to change right there in the little box right there. So you're going to go up here, click configure program, and you're going to go down to AsBuilt. You go down here to play, and okay, do its thing. Alright, 762-12-01. So you're going to go here, 72612-01. So this here says you got to put the value of 09 DC. So you're not going to change anything else. So you're going to go here. Make sure it's the right one, 726-12-1. Delete that, and you're going to put 09 DC. You're going to write it, continue. It's going to flash, do its thing, cycle on and off. That should calibrate your speedometer. Now, if that doesn't work, there's a little formula that you can use down here. You can put the speedometer that your car is reading and the GPS that's reading, and then it'll give you a new value that you put in there. So I'm going to try this first. If it doesn't work, I'll try this method here. Alright, so that's all for today's video. I just want to say thanks to RockTrix for setting out these wheels. I just can't stop looking at them. It looks so nice. One more look here. Go ahead and check them out. I'll leave a link in the description box below. Very affordable, and only time will tell to see how well these hold up. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Again, don't forget to hit subscribe. I'm going to be putting a lot more content on the good old Ford F150 there. Next mod is probably going to be an intake. Who knows? Depending on what I want to do with it. That's all I have for you guys. Until next time, be safe, everyone.